Hmm, I guess I'm gonna have to do a physical version of getting them. Let's do this. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the physical way of getting Among Us, the Christmas hat bundle, the Halloween hat bundle, and the 2019 party hat into the new current version of Among Us. So first you have to have Appetite downloaded by searching up Google Chrome and searching for the Appetite app, and you have to click in the website and download the app. It shouldn't take too long to get the app. And then once you have the app, you have to search Among Us in the search history. And then once you find the results, you have to travel down to the 2021 versions, because it's the version that I recommend you use to get your bundle hats and party redeem hat. So here, this is the version I recommend. It's April 2nd, 2021. Once you click on that version, you want to downgrade to that old version of Among Us. I already have it downgraded, so I can show you physically how I got the hat, how I got the redeem seasonal hats. And earlier as I mentioned, I already have the Christmas hat bundle because I traveled back in time to purchase it. So here I'm gonna show you how I get these hats. So when you first open Among Us, you want to set when you open the app, basically, you have to before opening the app, you have to be at settings. Actually, when you first open the app, you want to go to local lobbies because those are the only lobbies that work. I'm a few steps ahead of you. And then you already have this 2019 party hat. But to get the Halloween hat bundle 2019, you want to be able to set your date and time. You have to switch it off automatically and set it up to October 25th, 2019. When you reopen the app, you're going to stay there with the switch date until you get to the loading screen with the unknown mini crewmate. And then once you've done that, then you can switch your date back to normal. Once you switch the date back to normal, and reminder, sign into your account so everything is saved on there. And then, because when I did, I had to sign in and had to put in my YouTuber name. So that's me right there. and then normally nothing changes. But here's how to get the. But then after you enter the local lobby, and you have the normal date setting, then you have to go back to settings and switch the date to October 25th, 2019. And then you have to leave your old local lobby and then recreate a new local lobby. And then once you've done that, I'm gonna turn off the shake settings, but I cannot. It wasn't allowed back then. And then once you've done that, then you'll have these Halloween hat bundle. You'll have the Halloween hat bundle to yourself. And then for the Christmas hat bundle, it's gonna be another thing, because it involves in reality it involves purchasing. So what you want to do is set your date to December 24th, 2018, but then you also want to set the clock. It's a good thing that it's PM already. So I'm gonna set the clock to 11:59 p.m., which is the start of Christmas Day. I have to leave and recreate. And then once I've done that, then I'll go to my hat. I'll go to the purchase section right here, and then once you click there, then you'll have the Christmas hat bundle, which has all these redrawn versions of the hats. Obviously, this was after the airship update. I gotta say, this Santa hat looks very familiar to this one right here, like some with the snowman hat too. And you have to like purchase them for like $2.99. It might be different on different platform devices, but once you purchase them, then you'll eventually have these hats physically. Now the last thing to do is to upgrade to the current version of Among Us. Just fidgeting around these hats for a minute. So when updating to the version of the game, then you want to go to the App Store or whatever App Store you have. Forget Dinosaurs.Temu. Can't trust them. And then you'll have to put Among Us in the search. You have to update, because that's how because it's gonna get you to the current version right away. If you just install the new version, you're not gonna get them. So you have to update in order to get the hats. And then I'll get to the next steps in a minute. And a reminder, if you still have the date set to December 24th, 2018, be sure to switch the date back to normal, so like you'll be able to update. Sometimes your Play Store will be offline, and the update will just go to an unending loop. So you want to be sure you check that before you like update, because some people may stumble on that step. So once you have it installed, updated, then you have to press play. And then once you get to the game screen, it's probably gonna ask you the same thing. Privacy policy. You have to press understand, and then you'll automatically be signed in. And then this is telling you to merge accounts. So right now you have to merge accounts if you want to get items, because if you press not right now, then you have to do the whole process over again, and you don't want to do that. I know it's gonna be stressful. So just merge guest account. It's gonna put you offline for a minute, but if it does, then you can refresh the app, like I'm trying to do right now, and then you're going to reopen the app. And then everything's gonna be normal. I have to code my kill cooldown to 0 again. And then we have these notifications, the announcements. I'm just gonna blah all those. And then you can click into your gallery. I know I'm pretty much rich at the moment, but once you've done all these steps and you're in the new version of Among Us, then here you should have the Halloween hat bundle 2019, the bat wings, the cat beanie, the devil horns, the sword, the mohawk, the pirate hat, the plague hat, the pumpkin hat, paper bag, the witch hat, and werewolf ears. And then we have the visor section. We have the hockey mask and the plague visor. And you should have the Christmas hat bundle 2018, the candy horns, the original flavor is usually mint, the elf hat, the Christmas lights, the present, the reindeer horns, the red Santa hat. I know everyone wants the red Santa hat. This is the snowman from the Christmas hat bundle. If anyone didn't know, like the top hat is black and the scarf is purple, and you have the little Christmas tree. And then you should also have the 2019 party hat. I hope this physical tutorial was better for you this time. And now I have to get my progress back in business, baby. Catch y'all later. Bye bye.